Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor. We're going to take a look at the biotech sector here. We're going to be looking at XBI, but XBI and IBB track each other very well. So if you're interested in IBB as well, this is going to be a great video for you. So if you want an overall picture of biotechs, this video is going to be something you need to watch. So I'm going to start off with the shorter term action here for XBI, and then I'm going to zoom out and show you the longer term picture here for this sector. So what we have here is a false breakdown setup. All right, so here is that right here. So what that is a support. Boom, boom, boom. Lots of bounces. We break that support, making this a breakdown. Okay. If this was bearish, it would have continued lower. But we actually broke back above that and cleared that support, making this a false breakdown. Okay, if you have support that breaks, you want it to, and if you're short or if you want it to keep going lower, you want that support to hold the break, and you want it to head lower. But we didn't do that. So bulls took control back here. And this has some pretty serious implications. The last time we had a similar setup was over here, where you can see this was major support going back several months. Boom, boom, boom. We break this support right here. Boom. And then we broke right back over it, and you can see it saw a massive move higher after that. And this is something we covered as it happened. We called for an upside move back here in biotechs. As that support was reclaimed, making this a false breakdown. So we have that set up once again. Once again, this is happening right here. So I think XBI and biotechs will head higher. Now I want to break it down to the weekly chart. And this is 4 years of the weekly chart. You can see it's super coiled. This is just a big flag pattern right here. And you can see we had this resistance there, rejected, and here we are coming into it once again. Okay, the more times it's tested, the more likely it is to break over right here, and we're at it once again. We're trying to peek our head over it right now. If it heads even just a little bit higher, I think that we could see a massive breakout here for biotech. So this is definitely a level that you want to keep in mind. Just to kind of show you some other, similar setups here. Here's a trend line break right there. Here's a trend line break right there. Right there. I mean, you could do this all day, and they just lead to higher prices. Okay, guys? So here we are once again, coming into that trend line. And this pattern here has bigger implications than all of these did, because all of these were just, several months of resistance. This is, we're talking about 2 years. Okay, 2 years we haven't been able to break over this resistance. So what that means is that because it is a much bigger resistance, the breaking over it is much, the implications of doing so would be very significant, and this could send this sector much higher. So yes, we've had a good, pretty decent 2019, and heading into 2020, it's been decent, but this could get a lot better and bigger as the breakout moves forward. So look for a break over that trend line, which I think will happen, but you want to wait for that break. Really, any break of $98 on XBI or a close over 97 would really signal an upside move for this sector. So what you're looking at right now is the portfolio tracker of thetradinganalyst.com. And what I want to explain here is that all of these entries and exits over here on the left-hand side of your screen were alerted in real time via text message to our subscribers here at thetradinganalyst.com. And when you subscribe and join today, we're going to start sending those alerts to you as well. So as you can see, the majority of these trades are winners, The average win here is 50%. The average loss is 33% loss. And these are, majority of the trades are for options. About 80% are for options. About 20% are for stocks. The average win here is $3,400. The average loss is $1,600. So you can see the average win on a dollar basis is more than double the size of the average loss, and that is because we keep our winners big and our losses small. And another reason too is because a big part of why our service here is so much better than any of the other alert services is not only because our alerts are very accurate, but also because we recommend position sizing as well, because not all trades should be the same size. For example, sometimes we do some riskier trades on an earnings trade. So we'll alert options before an earnings release. These are riskier trades, so on these trades we issue a very small position size. Conversely, on our high confidence trades, for example, we alerted Amazon stock in the 1800s. It's currently trading in the 2100s, so it's doing extremely well right now. That is 4 times the average position size that we have. So it's a 4x position size, a very, very large position size. And that is how our winners are so much bigger than our losses. And that is also a reason why our total gains here over the last 2 years, we've been using this portfolio tracker for 2 years now, the total gains here, about $385,000. That's using the gains, the losses, the break-even trades, everything gets factored into this total profitability. And when you sign up and join today, you're going to be able to make this kind of money as well when we start sending you these alerts. So in addition to these alerts, you're also going to get the watch list that we have for potential trades, as well as the open position list that lists all of the targets, the stop losses, if there's an earnings coming up, and any other relevant information regarding the position. You're going to be able to see that and follow along. In addition to that, and most importantly, you're going to get access to me personally. I am a profitable trader, something that many people claim, but not many people can actually prove. I can prove it. I prove it on a daily basis. And when you sign up and join, you're going to get access to me. You can ask me questions throughout the day. We have a one-on-one live chat that you can meet me in, or you can respond to any of the text message alerts as well and ask me any questions there. In addition to that, I do private member-only videos that you're going to get access to when you sign up and join today, as well as an educational video section of pre-recorded material that I've done that's available exclusively to members here at thetradinganalyst.com. But most importantly, you're going to be able to put money in your pocket from these profitable swing trade alerts. So like I said, they are swing trade alerts. This isn't a day trading service. You're going to be able to participate in these trades because the average trade time is about 10 days. Okay, 10 days, or actually it's 13 days right here. You can see that. 13 days is the average length of time that our trades take place. So this is going to work for you if you have a full-time job, if you're a student, stay-at-home mom, or just have a busy lifestyle like most of us do. So as soon as you sign up and join today, I'm going to start sending you alerts. I hope that you make that decision for yourself, and I look forward to helping you grow your account. I'll see you in there.